Welcome guys, let's start to create a simple surface design in this CAD software. So this is actually showcase. Here you can see isometric view of this surface, and at bottom the orthographic views and its all dimension of this model. So let's start to create this part in our CAD software. So open Catia first, go to start, go in shape, generate to shape design. Maybe water name we want to give, and then next press OK and add this our plane and insert one point here which is act as origin and insert axis system to this point. And now let's start to create this part. So first of all we have to create this sketch. So go to XY plane by using this sketch positioning, originate this point. Now let's start to create this part. So here you can see we have to create one center rectangle, center as this origin, and actually height of this is 150 and the length is so this is 25. Length is here given as a 75. In this inside of this part you can see the length is 75. So do 75 here. And now we have to do select to all this. So select this rectangle, like drag this sketch, go to corner command here and give here a value as 25. Now we have to do dimension to this also. View dimension, this is 25, this is 25, this is 25, this is 25. Now exit this to the sketch workbench. Now make sure you are only in geometrical shape because we are creating the surface only in geometrical shape. Now we have to create this part. So go to sketch positioning again, select ZX plane, projected point as this, orientation is parallel to this line, make it proper align. Now let's start to create this part. So here you can see one line here, vertical line here. So to read this line, go to profile, line one vertical, draw one vertical line and change here tangent arc from the sketch position and make it somewhat like semicircle to add upside. And bottom side also we have to create same like this. So for creating this, draw one circle and radius value for this circle is 3. And make this circle tangent to this. And from this to this, make it horizontal measurement, sorry, vertical measurement. and give here value as 0. Now this is created, and actually we want only half circle, so draw an axis here to make it semicircle. Go to quick trim, select this upper line. Now we have created this profile, and just check what is value for this upper radius. So upper radius value is to 1.5, and actual height of this is actual height for this is 25, and we want exactly align to this here. So make stop on this part, align to this perfectly. This axis, this circle also. Make it here 0. Now you can drag this sketch. Actually we want this at this part should be coincide to this. So now make it coincide to this. Now this sketch is fully consumed. Now exit to this recording. So now we have to create this sketch profile on this center curve. For creating this, go to sweep command here in this surface, and here you can see lots of command. So go to first explicit and with reference, subtype as a with reference surface, and profile as this sketch, and guide curve is this. Make it below. Now actually what we have done here, we are making this sketch by using guide curve and simple profile. Now you can see side surface is generated. Now let's make to this inside part. Here you can see one point we have to create here, which is one base. It is present at 5 mm at upper side, and this surface is passing to this point. So go to just select this point here, and go to point type as a coordinate, and actually we want this surface at upside of the z-axis. So increase the value of z as 5, and now make it press OK. Now you can see this is our point. It is created just upside of this 5 mm from this base. Now go to fill command here in this surface. Now select this close contour and make sure to select all this surface properly. Actually you can see this opening gap is given here. Actually we have given some different make this close and go to once again to the fill command. Now select properly. Start to make from this. This is first, this curve is second, then this. Now give properly align perfectly this surface only. Don't give other line or other edge of this surface. Now select this and make in order, make in series. Give these surfaces in series only. Now here you can see the close contour is come. Now we have to just make a passing point. So click here, passing point, and give the point we have actually created previously. And now make it preview. Now press OK. Now you can see this field surface created which is passing to this point. And now let's start to make next hole. So actually let's start to create this part. So to create this part, go to sketch positioning, select this ZX XY plane, origin as this point, orientation is parallel to this line. And go to profile tab. In this profile tab, we fly up to rectangular tab and select elongated hole here. Create this like a structure, make it rough, and now give some dimension. So actually the length of this is 5. So this is diametric value to this circles, and center to center distance is 40, and make symmetrical to these two circles, this vertical axis. And from center it is actually presented at 43 mm. Now exit the 2D sketch workbench of this part. Now create surface to this. So go to surface tab and select extrude here, and it is only in one direction. So take dimension view, and exactly same we want to at this side. So select this extrude surface and go to rectangular pattern here. Direction for this reference element is x direction, and distance between to them is 43, and we want exactly 3 of these. So select the instant as 3, make it 2. You can see this another 2 surfaces are created here. Now join this extrude rectangular pattern by using this operation plan. So just go to join command and select this extrude and this rectangle pattern, and make sure to uncheck this connectivity, not connectivity, actually it is connectivity. Now go to split command here from this operation tab and select this join, or else you can select trim also. So go to trim, select this first of all join and this surface. Before that we have to join this field surface we have created and this surface. So go to first of all join and select this this. Now go to again trim, select first of all this join and this second join. Now you can see this upper part is gone, but bottom part is remain same. So select first of all split, and afterward you can select trim. So first of all go to split, select join first and join two. Make sure which part is cut. So actually the bottom part is cutting first. Now press OK and close this. Now go to trim. Sorry. Now go to trim command. Now select this join and this split, and you can see this bottom, this inside part is inside surface is removed and make it order, and this upper surface also remove. Press OK. Now you can see our this simple showcase part is designed. Just add this extra surfaces, sorry, these sketches we have created. Now you can see exactly showcase is designed in our Catia software by using this surface generative shape design, generative surface design.